I'm happy. Because if you get snow at this time of year, it means the weather pattern's more nearly what it should be. That's what I miss some years, is not having the a real winter.
I'm thrilled to have white Christmas. It's Maine, you know, we need the white Christmas. I don't mind shoveling, I like shoveling, and it's great. I think it's wonderful. I hope it doesn't rain and take it all away.
I'm a little tired of winter, actually.
We're making a fort, like a snow fort, like kind of like an igloo, but not really, with a roof over our heads.
I think it's cool because it's wintertime in Maine. You know, Christmas coming up, but I'd rather not be shoveling.